Hyperbolas are the next kind of conic section that we are going to be learning about. So a hyperbola is the locus of points such that the difference of the distances from any point on the hyperbola to two fixed points remains constant. These fixed points are called the foci. So keep in mind that d sub 1 minus d sub 2 remains constant. And what we mean by that is if we have this little, I'm going to draw a little sketch here. So hyperbola is always going to look kind of like an ellipse that's been kind of flipped inside out. And the foci are going to be here and here. So here's a focus, and here's a focus. So the distance from one focus to a point on the hyperbola is going to be d sub 1, and the distance from the other focus to that same point is going to be d sub 2.